there's been a lot of speculation ukuthi uMacala uyaphuza training, uMacala wenze something, uMacala icoach ayimfuni, uMacala, there's a lot, funa ukuya busangomeni, there's a lot of things, but the rumor engifuna sikhulume ngayo, because it's football and it's positive, it's because Kaizer Chiefs apparently funa uSaleng, and I got to chela maka, bra. If it was for me, I feel like we should literally sign the boy, because I got to Kaizer Chiefs emptying uSaleng, the player fana noSaleng, and rather than that, asikhulume iqiniso uMacala umnandi, and having a player like that just going through whatever he's going through, I feel like there's something bigger than what we have been told or what we have been shown in the media, which is maybe a team thing, Putini. Let's keep this secret, let's not share it with the public and so on. But another thing is is that the player is growing up, bruh. And if you don't get that much game time, it wears off, And maybe we are Jima sharp, it's okay. Maybe Macala Jima, but come on, bro. We're all missing that good talent. I'm not saying this just for a Pirates view or what. No, like even me as a South African fan of football, when you play fan Saleng fit to play. Squad. We should have players like Abu Saleng on the pitch, showing off, doing whatever they do. So coming back to the Chiefs one, I feel like Kaizer Chiefs should dug him out. I don't know what the issue is actually. The Orlando Pirates, whatever the reason is, but I feel like if you could come to Kaizer Chiefs, could be a good thing, get some game time. We would use a player like Saleng, And apparently, I'm not sure if it's this month or next month the contract ends, or say Pelile, I'll look into that. So we would need a player like that, bro. I don't want to lie, like Saleng is a good goal scorer, good assister, For Kaizer Chiefs, I'm full Kulmamanga. I would take him if it was for me, because just try to get out my player these terms, bro. After this league, it's been jail season, it's been we just need everything we can take. So I don't know what's going on with the Saleng situation, because I feel like maybe it's a personal thing, or that's the reason why the team is keeping it private and stuff like that. But I don't want to lie, bro. For me, I would take Saleng to Kaizer Chiefs. He would literally do good. I don't know, but please let me know how do you feel about this in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, press the subscribe button, press the like button, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next one. From me, Katlego Sparkles, I'm out. Peace.